The Anteater adjusting device is designed to protect the doctor's hand while giving the patient a deeper, more comfortable adjustment. The doctor simply slides his hand in, and the rubber pads go on either side of the spinous process. Unlike the human hand or other products, the Anteater does not flex or bend, so it takes less pressure on the patient to get them to cavitate or adjust or to remove the subluxation. Unlike other products where you either place it under the patient's spine and then remove your hand, or your hand does not insert at all, the patented design of the Anteater allows the doctor to wear the Anteater on their hand just like a glove. Because of the stainless steel frame, the audible or the adjustment will reverberate right through the steel frame. You get instant feedback through the audible, through the steel frame with the Anteater, meaning you feel right when the adjustment happens. Visit our website at anteateradjust.com to order or to check out some testimonials and some more information.